Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen right here, then find and select the settings, scroll down and choose System. From the following options you need to choose Reset and then select Network Settings Reset. So this will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's choose Network Settings Reset and tap Network Settings Reset again. So that's it, network settings have been reset. You can go back and start using your default network configuration. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.